Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back in another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a stem style bass house drop, like these tracks. Including these elements.
I scored, yeah, the air got tinner.
Let's start off with a bass house vocal. Let's pick one from my sample pack, link down below as well.
I scored, yeah, the air got tinner.
Let's use this one, drop it in, fit it to the tempo, sound it like this.
I scored, yeah, the air got tinner. I be eating bitches for dinner. Madman, Batman like sinner. Go get it, I'm a goddamn winner.
Then we're gonna create a build up around it. So we got this in at Serum, and just pick a preset from the back. The vocal is in G minor, it says, so let's drop it a steady Reese note.
I scored, yeah, the air got tinner.
Just to
I be eating bitches for dinner. Madman, Batman like sinner.
Then layer
Go
with
get it, I'm a
ambience.
goddamn winner.
Let's drop in this one. Again, fit it to the tempo. And pitch it up 3 semitones to get it in the right key.
I scored, yeah, the air got tinner.
Then drop in a build up loop from the pack. Right into a mixer channel and just lower down the volume.
I scored, yeah, the air got tinner. I be eating bitches for dinner. Madman, Batman like sinner.
And then cut
Go
out.
get it, I'm a goddamn winner. I scored, yeah, the air got tinner. I be eating.
And then cut out the elements right before the second part is built up to create more tension.
Go get it, I'm a goddamn winner. I scored,
like
yeah, the
this.
air got tinner.
Then I want to add a sidechain to the vocal because we have a kick in the build up loop. So create an animation clip. Just like this.
Go get it, I'm a goddamn winner. I scored, yeah, the air got tinner.
Also make sure to create a low cut animation on the master channel. So we got this EQ loaded up. And create an animation clip.
And Batman
just
like
let it
sinner. Go get it, I'm a
up during the
goddamn
build
winner.
up.
And Batman like sinner. Go get it, I'm a goddamn winner.
So now we're gonna dive into the drop. First, let's arrange the vocal in the drop.
Go get it, I'm a goddamn winner.
So cut out the last part. Drop it right after 2 bars.
Get it, I'm a goddamn
Cut it just like this.
goddamn winner. Goddamn winner. I'm a goddamn winner.
And then copy it over to the second part to drop right after 4 bars. Just like this.
I be eating bitches for dinner. Madman, Batman like sinner. Go get it, I'm a goddamn winner.
Now we're gonna dive into the drums. We'll be using these samples. Just create a basic drum loop with it. With the head at the offbeat. And clap it every second. Just like this.
I scored, yeah, the air got tinner.
And then we're gonna add in some groove. So first drop in the snare. And place it right here. Duplicate the bars to make a little variation. Then we're gonna add a closed head to it. Place it right before the last open head in the bar. Just like this. And then get them slightly off the grid to create some more groove because the human can't hit them exactly on the grid. Then it's time to add some more energy to it. So I got this white noise loaded up. Place it right here and here. Which also adds to the groove. Then I came across these typical stamped bass shots. So I just stacked them. Something like this. Now we're gonna mix them. So first I went to low end. There's some OTT to boost the high end. And of course, some reverb and delay. And then the sidechain to make room for the kick. So with the drums, they sound like this. Then we're just gonna arrange the drums. So duplicate it, add in a double kick. Drop the 2-bar loop right here as well. And then to add some more energy, reverse the brass step to something like this. So altogether the drums sound like this.
My goddamn winner. Ice cold, yeah, the air got thinner.
We got the drums ready, so now it's time to dive in the bass. I got this in the Serum loaded up. Pick a preset from the pack. Let's use this one. Starting on the root note. So this will be the first bar. Then make the variation up to the dissonant note of the scale to add some more energy. And then finish on the 7th note of the scale. Just like this. Now we're gonna mix it. First, add some distortion. Compress it. Dip the high end a little bit. And add a sidechain to it. So together with the other elements, it sounds like this.
Ice cold, yeah, the air got thinner. Be eating bitches for dinner. Madman, Batman like sinner. Go get out my goddamn winner.
And then we're gonna create a Reese fill right here. Add in a new Serum. Take this neuro bass from the pack. So start on a G6. Then go down to the normal octave. And go up 2 octaves again. Sounding like this. So in the track, it sounds like this.
Madman, Batman like sinner. Go get out my goddamn winner. Go get out my goddamn winner.
Also, we're gonna add in a step sound to make it more interesting. So we got a new Serum loaded up. Let's use this one. And place it right here. Then we're gonna mix it. First, gotta with the low end. And add some delay. And the sidechain, of course. So altogether, the bass elements sound like this.
Madman, Batman like sinner. Go get out my goddamn winner.
Now we're gonna dive in the lead elements. First, pick a preset from the pack. We'll be making a pre-drop lead. Let's use this one. Copy over the bass MIDI. And make a few octave switches. Just like this. Place it right here where the drop hits.
Goddamn winner. My goddamn winner.
Then I added an endless smile to it.
Goddamn winner.
Automate it.
My goddamn winner.
Just like this.
Winner.
So this will be the pre-drop.
My goddamn winner.
Then drop in the bass here as well. And add in another lead sound right here where the drop hits. Add in a new Serum. And pick a lead sound from the pack. We'll be using this one. We'll be dropping in kind of a Hoover synth. So create a steady note. Like this. Then mix it, get rid of the low end. Add some distortion. Push it to the sides. Get rid of the low end created by the distortion. And reverb and delay. And of course a sidechain to finish it off. Also, we're going to tweak the preset a little bit. Set it to 2 bar because we have a 2 bar MIDI. Yeah, that's much better. So just drop it in. Then the only thing I want to do is add some effects to the drop. So cut up the build-up loop. And then just drop it in right here. So first we have an uplifter. And then it's sort of a downlifter. So that's it for the stamp sound drop. I think it turned out really dope. So let me know what you think about it in the comments as well. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
I scored, yeah, the air got tinner. I be eating bitches for dinner. Madman, Batman like sinner. Go get it, I'm a goddamn winner. I scored, yeah, the air got tinner. I be eating bitches for dinner. Madman, Batman like sinner. Go get it, I'm a goddamn winner. Goddamn winner.